Okay, today I'm going to share with you my special original recipe with fish with tortilla balls. Remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. So here are the ingredients. I'm going to have fish, and this one is going to be swordfish. This is nice fillet. I have some flour, the regular one, lettuce, chopped tomatoes. The amount is depend on how many balls, tortilla balls you're going to prepare. I have 6 soft balls. I have some cilantro, sea salt, pepper, oil, and I'm going to have a lemon. I'm going to only need about half. For the tortilla balls, you might want to have handy some aluminum foil and parchment paper or cookie paper, because you're going to cover them with the aluminum foil, and you're going to put the parchment paper on the thing, because they're going to the oven and they're going to heat up based on the instruction of the package. Could be 5 minutes, 6 minutes, depending on the amount. And you're going to need some paprika. I'm going with the smoked one, but you can use the regular one too. So in essence, I soak the fish, both sides, got it wet with the lemon juice from the lemon. So what I did is I dry pat the fish. Going to add a little bit of sea salt, a little bit of pepper. Turn around, do the same. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some paprika, and I'm going to add it to the flour, just to give it a little taste and color. Mix it up a little bit. And what I'm going to do is, you're not going to put a lot, you're just going to get it a little bit, cover. No, kind of powder. You're going to powder this baby. And what that does, that ensures that the fish is not going to break when you're frying it. Move it out. That's simple. See, I put the soft tortilla balls in these, wrap them up in the aluminum foil with the parchment paper. I had the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to put them there in the oven. And based on the instructions, it's going to be somewhere between 5 to 7 minutes. So I had this is a small pan, by the way, see my hand? And I had this pan at high heat for a couple minutes, a minute or so, just to get the oil hot. Now I reduce it to a couple notches above medium. And one thing you notice, I have the handle facing the other way, especially when you're dealing with a lot of oil. And the kind of oil is going to be up to you. I'm going with vegetable oil because I just frying this. I love extra virgin olive oil, but I don't want to use it for this. Put this baby there. And you're going to let it cook. And this is going to take a few minutes. I'm going to try to see maybe 3, 4 minutes, maybe a little bit longer. It's going to depend to different factors, the kind of stove you have, and things like that. So I'm going to let it go for 3 minutes first to see what happens. And then based on that, we'll revisit. been about 3 minutes. Let me take a look. It's not ready. So it's about another 3 minutes. I wanted a little bit more cooked than this actually. So I'm going to cook it for another 3 minutes. Look at this color, beautiful. See? Actually, I let it cook for another 2 minutes. See the color, how nice. Let me turn it around so you can see. What I'm going to do now carefully is I'm going to get them out here. Beautiful. And I'm going to put in a plate that has some papers for the grease to drip out a little bit. I need to show you how beautiful it looks. So what I did here, I grab a knife and I cut them in chunks. And I want to show you something, see how nicely cooked they are in the middle. Tender. Outside, nice color. This is how beautiful they look. So what I did is I grabbed the tortillas balls. They are very small, see the size, size of my finger. Lettuce, the chopped tomatoes, a little bit of cilantro. Cilantro is optional, you don't like it. You can grab a little bit of lemon, squeeze it, just a little bit, just a couple drops. And voila, delicious, don't you agree?